Our next question is question number 9. Write the expanded form. Write it in expanded form like 268. How can we write 200 plus 60 plus 8? You have to write all 4 questions. In B part, write the number that is 10 more than. You have to write 10 more than in 347 plus 10. What will be the answer? And 10 less than 573 minus 10 is equal to what? Clear, student? In question 10, circle the greatest number. Which one is greatest? And in B part, circle the smallest number. Which one is smallest from in this number? Question number 11. In question number 11, you have to add regroup. इसमें आपको regroup करके add माइनस करना. फर्स्ट में आपको दिस इज some corrections. This first part is adding and second part is subtracting. Clear, student? You have to add 64 and 78, 99 and 83, 29 and 99, 97 and 54. And in B part you have to subtract 948 and 235. Clear, student? This is also added questions. This question is same as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In question number 12, a book has 256 pages. 135 pages have picture. In how many pages do not have pictures? एक बुक में 256 पेजेस हैं जिसमें से 135 पेजेस में पिक्चर हैं और आपको फाइंड करना है कि कितनी पेजेस में पिक्चर्स नहीं हैं. क्लियर, स्टूडेंट? इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 बी पार्ट, देयर आर 45 येलो रोजेस एंड 86 रेड रोजेस इन अ गार्डन. हाउ मैनी रोजेस आर इन देयर इन ऑल? टोटल रोजेस आपको फाइंड करना है. In question number 13, there is multiply. You have to carry in this question. And B part, there are 21 candles in a packet. एक पैकेट में 21 candles हैं. How many candles are there in such 4 packets? ऐसे 4 packets में how many candles are? You have to find how many candles in such packet in 4 packets. Clear, student? In question number 14, write division fact for each of these multiplication fact. You know that multiplication fact 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? And 4 divided by 2 is equal to what? And 8 divided by 4 is equal to what? Clear, student? In B part, write the quotient for each. You have to divide 24 from 6, 12 from 1 and 15 from 5 and 28 from 4. And question number 15, color each figure to show the given figure. In first question there is a circle. You have to color its half part. In question number B there is triangle. You have to color its 1/3 part. And in third question there is a flower. You have to color 1/4 part of this flower. And question number 4 there is a rectangle and you have to color its 1/3 part. And B question, write the fraction for each colored part. What is the fraction of these colored part? And question number 16, make 4 solid shape and color them. Draw any 4 shape and color them. And question number 17, fill in the missing letters to make the solid shape. आपको इन शेप्स के नेम राइट करने हैं. दैट इज फर्स्ट वन इज कोन, सेकेंड इज सिलेंडर, थर्ड इज क्यूब एंड फोर्थ इज स्क्वायर. यू हैव टू राइट देयर स्पेलिंग्स एंड ड्रा व्हाट कम नेक्स्ट पैटर्न. इस पैटर्न को देखकर आपको नेक्स्ट पैटर्न को ड्रा करना है. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 you have to write below each clock the time it's showing. What is the watch show the time? You have to write. And in B part, draw the hand to show the time that given below in the box. 5:30, 5 o'clock, 9:30 and 4:30. You have to draw in the watch. You can draw watch as a rectangle. You can easily draw. Question number 19, write the days of the month. And B part is write the month of the year. And question number 20, write the month. This is month. You have to do any month like March. And after selecting the month, you have to fill all these questions. Like this month is March, next month will be April, the last month was December. Clear, student? Now question number 21, a list how many children in Arya's class go to school is given below. Means of transport, cycle, bus, car and self. Number of children, 12 children from cycle, 14 children are from bus, 7 children are car and self, say 5 children. So how many children go by bicycle? You have to watch this pictograph and find the answer and write answer in the answer sheet. And the last question, write the table 11 to 15. Okay student, bye.